Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to empty the dust compartment. First step, unlock the dust compartment on the top side and then remove the dust compartment. Nice. This is a Rowenta compact power cyclonic vacuum cleaner. And this is the dust compartment where the dust is inside. First step, open it on the cover side, then remove the cyclonic vacuum component in the middle. This is for this cyclonic power drive, and this is dirty most of the time, and there you can clean it easily. Okay, again, easy. The air is coming in and on the outside it's coming out. Now we have to open it on the cover, and then you can dip the dust and the dirt into the recycle bin. So easy it is. After you clean everything inside there with the cyclonic vacuum cleaner part, you can push it back in position. As you can see, this is easy, and then close the dust compartment again. Now everything is clean, everything is easy. Let's do it again. There is an easy way to extract this part, but take care it's dirt. In your case, if you use this vacuum cleaner, then empty the dust container. Good job. And then you have to get it back in position. There are two locks, right and left, and this is easy going, as you can see. Now dip the cover back in position, and it's time to get back the dust compartment into your vacuum cleaner. On the bottom side, there is a little hole for this. This will give you a support. This, I think, okay. And this comes over there, and the grip is on the outer side, and then only push it back in position to help you can lift up the lock thing a little bit. Good job. Now it's ready for have some vacuum cleaner things again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give a positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.